Hello guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, In this video, we are learning how to change the sentence case by using a very small software, and also it's a free software. Okay, in this case, you can see there is a sentence. Hi friends, please subscribe my channel. I'm changing the sentence case by using Ditto software. You can easily download Ditto software from website. Just type DITTO, Ditto. Ditto download. Okay, after that you can see there is an option for downloading Ditto software, Ditto clipboard manager. Open that website. You can easily, and it's also free, you can download from here. Okay, after downloading and installing that software, you can see there is a small icon. Come to our icon section. Ditto. Okay, I'm selecting this sentence and press that shortcut key for accessing Ditto software and change the default key to Shift plus V. After pressing Shift plus V, the Ditto software came here, and I am choosing this sentence. Okay, then go to special paste. You can see there is a lot of options: uppercase, lowercase, capitalized case, and sentence case, invert case, and trim white space. Okay, we are just change the sentence to capital case. Now the all of the word in this sentence, the first word become uppercase. Okay, I'm just selecting, and also press Shift plus V for accessing that. Then right click, go to special paste, then I'm choose this one, sentence case. Now the starting letter changed to capital letter, then all of the other letters become small. Okay, if you want to change this sentence to uppercase, then press Shift plus V, then right click, then choose special paste, then uppercase. Now those sentences are become uppercase. Once more selecting the sentence, press Shift plus V, then right click, just paste, lowercase. Can easily store more than 1000 words in Ditto clipboard, and also you can use those kind of features. Just download and use Ditto softwares. Okay, link I will provide the download link in my video description. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.